If you are an inspector, obtaining a copy of the publication titled Legal Aspects of Code Administration is highly recommended. This publication is published by the International Code Council, also known as the ICC and formerly known as the International Conference of Building Officials, also known as the ICBR. This publication provides valuable insights and guidance. It covers legal responsibilities and liabilities of inspectors. It also covers best practices for mitigating risk and avoiding lawsuits. There is also information about understanding the role of building codes and standards. Common legal issues faced by inspectors are also covered in the publication. Firstly is the standard of care. Secondly is negligence. Thirdly is breach of contract. Fourthly, defenses available to inspectors. By reading and understanding the contents of this publication, inspectors can enhance their knowledge of legal responsibilities and avoid potential pitfalls. Inspectors can also protect themselves from lawsuits and minimize legal risks. Inspectors can improve their ability to defend their actions in court. Inspectors can foster better relationships with clients and other parties involved in the construction process. Obtaining and studying this publication is a proactive step that inspectors can take to ensure their legal knowledge and protect their professional interests. Understanding the legal responsibilities and potential liabilities associated with code enforcement is paramount for building inspectors. The Legal Aspects of Code Administration publication serves as a crucial resource, offering comprehensive guidance on navigating the complex legal landscape. It equips inspectors with the knowledge necessary to perform their duties effectively while minimizing the risk of legal action. The publication delves into the concept of standard of care, which defines the level of competence and diligence expected of a reasonable inspector in similar circumstances. Failure to meet this standard can lead to claims of negligence, where an inspector's actions or omissions result in harm or damages. The publication elucidates the elements of negligence, including duty of care, breach of duty, causation, and damages, providing inspectors with a clear understanding of the legal ramifications of their decisions. Furthermore, the legal aspects of code administration addresses the potential for breach of contract claims, which may arise when an inspector fails to fulfill the terms of an agreement with a client or other party. The publication outlines the essential elements of a contract, including offer, acceptance, and consideration, and explores the various ways in which a breach can occur. In addition to outlining potential liabilities, the publication also discusses defenses available to inspectors in the event of a lawsuit. These defenses may include demonstrating that the inspector acted within the scope of their authority, that the plaintiff's damages were not caused by the inspector's actions, or that the plaintiff assumed the risk of harm. By understanding these defenses, inspectors can better protect themselves from unwarranted claims and build a strong legal case. The legal aspects of code administration also emphasizes the importance of adhering to best practices in code enforcement. This includes maintaining thorough documentation of inspections, providing clear and consistent communication to stakeholders, and staying up to date on the latest code changes and interpretations. By following these best practices, inspectors can minimize the likelihood of errors or omissions that could lead to legal challenges. The publication also highlights the significance of understanding the role of building codes and standards in the legal framework. Building codes are adopted by jurisdictions to establish minimum safety and performance requirements for buildings and structures. Inspectors are responsible for enforcing these codes to ensure that construction projects comply with applicable regulations. The legal aspects of code administration provides insights into the legal basis for building codes and the authority of inspectors to enforce them. In addition to the specific legal issues addressed, the publication also promotes a proactive approach to risk management. It encourages inspectors to identify potential sources of liability and to implement strategies to mitigate those risks. This may involve seeking legal counsel, obtaining professional liability insurance, or developing internal policies and procedures to ensure compliance with applicable laws and regulations. By taking a proactive approach to risk management, inspectors can protect their professional interests and avoid costly legal disputes. The benefits of obtaining and studying the legal aspects of code administration extend beyond legal protection. By enhancing their knowledge of legal responsibilities, inspectors can improve their overall performance and provide better service to their clients. A thorough understanding of the legal framework allows inspectors to make informed decisions, communicate effectively, and build trust with stakeholders. Moreover, the publication fosters a culture of professionalism and ethical conduct within the inspection profession. By adhering to the principles outlined in the legal aspects of code administration, inspectors can uphold the integrity of the code enforcement process and contribute to the safety and well-being of the community. The legal aspects of code administration is an indispensable resource for building inspectors seeking to navigate the legal complexities of their profession. It provides a comprehensive overview of legal responsibilities, risk mitigation strategies, and best practices, empowering inspectors to protect themselves from lawsuits and enhance their professional capabilities. The publication's emphasis on proactive risk management, adherence to best practices, and a thorough understanding of building codes and standards makes it an essential tool for inspectors seeking to excel in their fields and contribute to the safety and quality of the built environment. In addition to the topics already mentioned, the legal aspects of code administration publication may also cover topics such as the inspector's role in ensuring accessibility for people with disabilities, the legal requirements for energy conservation, and the environmental regulations that apply to construction projects. It is important for inspectors to be aware of these issues and to understand how they relate to their responsibilities. The publication may also provide guidance on how to handle difficult situations, such as dealing with uncooperative contractors or resolving disputes with homeowners. It is essential for inspectors to have the skills and knowledge necessary to effectively address these challenges while maintaining professionalism and upholding the law. Furthermore, the legal aspects of code administration may offer insights into the legal implications of new technologies and construction methods. As the building industry continues to evolve, inspectors must stay abreast of the latest advancements and understand how they may impact code compliance and legal liability. The publication can serve as a valuable resource for staying informed and adapting to these changes. The information presented in the legal aspects of code administration is intended to be general in nature and should not be considered legal advice. Inspectors should consult with an attorney to obtain advice specific to their situation. However, the publication provides a solid foundation for understanding the legal principles that govern the inspection profession and can help inspectors make informed decisions. Ultimately, the goal of the legal aspects of code administration is to promote professionalism, ethical conduct, and legal compliance within the building inspection industry. By providing inspectors with the knowledge and tools they need to succeed, the publication contributes to the safety, quality, and sustainability of the built environment.